Hi everybody, I'm going to demonstrate how we do our comp makeup on our lovely model, Bianca. Say hi, Bianca.
Hi.
So here's kind of what you need. Need some foundation, powder, blush. That's the red comp lipstick. It gets super messy, but there you go. The eyeshadow, natural, for that smoky brown eye. The lashes, and then also if your kid has kind of an oily eyelid, you may want to have more of a cheaper talc eyeshadow that you can use as a base first to put similar colors under these colors. Okay, then you need your brushes: blush brush, crease brush, highlighting brush, blending brush, eyebrow brush. Okay, so we're gonna get started.